Prachi and you are watching an Upper Some English Bulletin where you will get the latest news for the across of the country, the world and our city, Nagpur also. And we are starting that without any interruptions. Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Raut spoken to a journalist in Mumbai today addressing a survival important issue. The discussion being with the Ashok Kharat case, which has taken a new turn and is now becoming more serious. The controversy has also brought the name of Legislative Counselling Deputy Chairperson Neelam Gori into the spotlight. Sanjay Raut in the response said that all facts should be made public and no one should remain hidden in this matter. He impresses to the need of transparency and accountability and urged the interest against the conduct of fair and included inquiry. A major rapport was witnessed during the Nagpur Municipal Corporation Standing Committee meeting. Opposition members alleged that the chairperson ended the meeting with the minutes by approving all the agenda items shows thought majority votes. Votes withdrawing and analysis and discussing. Congress and other opposition members discussed that as an insult to the democracy process. Decoded the meeting and the storage posted. Members like Abhijit Jha, Abhishek Shambharkar, Wasim Khan, Maras Urris and Asim Mullah had demand discussed on survival important issues but were not given a chance to speak. Agenda by this opportunities accused the committee of functions as an arbitrary and accused member. Abhijit Jha has particularly raised a serious agricultures against the administrations regarding audit that have been pending for the past 6 years. COVID is making a hiding again and this time is the main is a CRR. It's a main issue like the name of an insert but is a reality. It is the nickname for a new COVID-19 variant. Scientists are calling it a BA.3.2 which is a new form of Omicron. The variant which has the first appearance in Africa in November 2024 has now spread to 23rd century by 26. In the United States, transits of it has been a fraud to the swag and a survival state. Mean it's a spending quality but rapidly. Responder suggests that is a speaking proteins has undergone 70 to 75 ages and chances. That is the past of the variation also it has to enter the body which could made the silently hardened for vacations to reguises. But remember, vaccinations are still the best defenses. On March 26, the Nandurbar local crime branch receiving a confidential information that a Witten Bolero travelling for a Shirpur to a Dahega was crying illegally alcohol. Acting on the tip off, the team set up a check post in the Shahad city. They stopped the vehicle MH04ES9651, says in 1550 liter of a Sprite. A 26-year-old Vasant Kaushal Pawar was taken into a custody, while the second surfaced remaining at the largest. The total value of the citizen's consistent is at 8.65 lakh and the case has been registered under the Maharashtra Police Beating Act. That's all the today's edition of an Upper Summit Bulletin. We are continuing to bring your latest important and breaking news. I'm Prachi and you are watching an Upper Summit. Thank you.